Hi guys, it's Bianca. Welcome to my place. Today I'll be sharing some insider tips on how to be the best you. Hair care is really important to me. It's a big part of my career and my lifestyle. I like to wash my hair at least once a week, and I like to use natural products, so I'll do an egg white hair mask and leave it in for about 20 minutes. I'll do that maybe twice a month. Also, sometimes I just use a normal conditioner and keep it in for the same amount of time. I sleep with my hair in a plait so that when I wake up in the morning it's nice and curly and I'm good to go.